So guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll talk about some daily use English sentences. तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हम कुछ daily use English sentences के बारे में बात करेंगे that will help you a lot to improve your daily conversation. So without any more time, let's move to start the video. अपने चेहरे को शीशे में देखो. See your face in mirror. See your face in mirror. तुम और क्या करना चाहते हो? What else do you want to do? What else do you want to do? अगर तुम्हें और कुछ चाहिए तो मुझे बस एक कॉल कर देना. If you need something else, just give me a call. If you need something else, just give me a call. मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखना. Remember me in your prayers. Remember me in your prayers. यह तुम्हारे दिमाग में कैसे आया? How did this thing come to your mind? How did this thing come to your mind? तुम इस बात से साबित क्या करना चाहते हो? What do you want to prove by this thing? What do you want to prove by this thing? सच कहूँ तो मुझे तुम्हारी चिंता है. To be honest, I am worried about you. To be honest, I am worried about you. सच कहूँ तो मैं तुम्हारा चेहरा भी नहीं देखना चाहता. To be honest, I don't even want to see your face. To be honest, I don't even want to see your face. तुम्हारा उससे क्या मनमुटाव है? What estrangement do you have with him? What estrangement do you have with him? क्या मैं आपके बीच में बाधा डाल रहा हूँ? Am I interrupting you? Am I interrupting you? मैंने उसे सड़क पर फिसलते हुए देखा. I saw him sleeping on the road. I saw him sleeping on the road. इस बारे में मैंने तुम्हारे भाई को नहीं बताया. I didn't tell your brother over this matter. I didn't tell your brother over this matter. इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है. I have no involvement in this. I have no involvement in this. मैंने तुम्हें बहुत बार फ़ोन किया लेकिन तुम्हारा फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ था. I called you so many times but your phone was switched off. I called you so many times but your phone was switched off. वह चकमा देकर या झांसा देकर यहाँ से निकल गया. He dodged from here. He dodged from here. मैंने उसे यह काम न करने के लिए कहा था. I had asked him not to do this work. I had asked him not to do this work. जो भी तुम कह रहे हो मैं उस पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकता. I can't believe whatever you are saying. I can't believe whatever you are saying. इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है? What's my fault in this? What's my fault in this? इतना घमंड सही नहीं है. Such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good. बाहर लू चल रही है. Heat stroke is blowing outside. Heat stroke is blowing outside. तुम्हारा बीपी बढ़ गया है. Your BP has risen. Your BP has risen. अपने बीपी को सामान्य रखने के लिए मैं गोलियां खाता हूँ. I take tablets for keeping my BP normal. I take tablets for keeping my BP normal. किसी को शक भी नहीं होता. Nobody even gets suspicious. Nobody even gets suspicious. वह हाथ से निकल गया. He went out of control. He went out of control. So friends, hope you like this video. If yes, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.